is Taylor Angley, and today I'm going to teach you how to use and make a sign cutting stick.
What is a sign cutting stick?
A sign cutting stick is, I have a rod here. I got it from Lowe's. It's used to measure footprints. You can also use a limb, but it needs to be sturdy and thicker. If it's an emergency situation, you can use just like a little limb, but it needs to be at least 40 inches. As you can see, like this is over 40 inches, and it's more for like emergency situations because the limb will break easily.
How is it used?
Okay, so as you can see, like I said, it's used to measure footprints. So you're going to take the back of this heel, and you need to make sure you have rubber bands. You're going to mark the back of your rear heel with the rubber band. And then you're going to move up to the front rear heel, and you're going to mark it. And you can use more rubber bands and continue to mark. Like there's another track right here. So you're going to see this stride is about the same length. And if you move this one up, you would expect to find another one like over there in the leaves. And one thing you need is to keep it at a 60-degree angle and kind of arc and search around, because at any time they can change their direction of travel. Also, another thing to keep in mind is the stride's not always going to be the same length. When you have a missing person, they tend to freak out and get nervous, so they might start running, they might slow down, sit down, different things like that.
What is its importance?
The importance of a sign cutting stick is to kind of narrow where you're looking. We're more susceptible to look at straight ahead of us, like in the distance, than what's on the ground. And this helps search and rescue teams because often they miss evidence that can be on the ground, such as clothes. You can even use the sign cutting stick to kind of move through the debris and the leaves, and sometimes you can find stuff like maybe food wrappers they've left, human waste, just different evidence that may lead to the person that's missing.
How does light help to enhance tracking?
Light helps to enhance it because when you're searching for a person, the best time to do it is in the early morning when the sun first comes up, or in the late afternoon. You use light to help you better see the tracks. It depends, the sun shining is going to change the angle and how you're going to see things. For example, in the early mornings there's dew, so on the grass and vegetation, if a person's walked through there, you're going to be able to see those tracks easier than in the middle of the day.